Dear all, namaskaraha. Welcome to another session. So, in this session, we will learn about how to ask questions in Sanskrit and how to answer them. So, question and answer in Sanskrit. So, it will improve the spoken Sanskrit. So, let us all dive into this. Now, there are mainly four types of questions we can ask. That is, number one is kaha. Kaha means who. Number two is we can ask kim. Kim means what, we can say what. And number three is say kutra. Kutra means where. And number four, kimartham. That is why. So, using these four words, we can form sentences like in kaha, we can say kaha agacchati. Kaha agacchati means who is coming. And kim. In kim, say we can say kim likhasi. Kim likhasi. We can ask, what are you writing? What are you writing? And kutra, we can say kutra vasasi. Kutra vasasi. That means, where are you sitting? Or where do you stay? Where do you stay? Kutra vasasi. Then kimartham, you can say kimartham pathasi. So, kimartham pathasi means why are you reading? So, using these four types of patterns in question and answers, we can ask questions, we can frame question sentences, and then we can convert this into a question flow. So we can have a question answer session also. So now, how can we have a question answer session? So we can ask like kim pathasi. and we can say aham pustakam padhami. And then we can ask a reverse question also, like tvam kim pathasi. So this is the first question asked to us, and we answer, and then having answered, we question back to the person who has asked our question, like tvam kim pathasi. So in this way we can have we can convert this into a flow of questions, and we can form a loop of questions, asking questions and then answering, and then asking a reverse question. So in this way we can develop a mini conversation, and not only with another person, we can do this as a self-talk also. It will greatly improve our ability of learning rapidly. So this way we can, let us see how we can frame a different type of sentences using this pattern. So let us look at here. So we can say like Kim karosi, Kim karosi. So someone can say aham bhojanam karomi. That means I am eating. Aham bhojanam karomi. I am eating. And then we can ask a reverse question like tvam kim karosi. Then similarly we can have a different question and answer session. So, and we can apply this to also even context, like we can say Kim pathasi. We can say aham pustakam pathami, aham pustakam pathami, and then we can ask tvam kim pathasi. And we can apply this to suppose kutra gacchasi, kutra gacchasi, and someone can say I can say aham vidyalayam gacchami, and then I can ask tvam kutra gacchasi. Then you can say, you can ask kimartham pathasi. Means why are you reading? So I can answer aham jnanartham patami. So this can be written like this. Jnanartham patami. I am reading to gain knowledge. So I can ask Tvam kim pathasi. So why are you reading? Similarly, I can ask Kim Shumosi. Kim Shumosi. Then I can say aham sangeetam Sunomi. Tvam kim Sunosi. This is a question mark. So in this way, we can develop a pattern of asking questions and then answering them, and then again asking questions back. So in this way, we can develop a question flow. So I hope you got some new way of learning a Sanskrit and in a very easy manner. Hope you will practice this and you will see this in repetition to develop a habit of talking the Sanskrit in question answer form, and also you can develop a self-talk. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet again with a new topic. Please share your learnings in the comment section. Thank you. Namaskara.